Alright, guys, this is Code Online, and this is a C++ for Beginner series. And now we are going to do setup. At first, we need to download. Uh, you can use C++ in code blocks and DebC and many other compiler, but they are very old. Like 90s. No, that's very bad. Uh, but I don't want to use that. So I downloaded this Visual Studio Code. Mine is Linux Mint. So I downloaded for Linux. I've already downloaded Visual Studio Code, so it is here. And and after downloading Visual Studio Code, we need the GCC setup for using C++ on Linux. So for that, we need few extension, like this C++ IntelliSense. We need this. I have already installed. So you can also go to C++. You can search like this, C++ intelligence. So you can download it here, and also you need run to run. Yeah, here this is. I've already installed this also. So there are two extension. Uh, Visual Studio Code. Let's see what it. It also talks about the same, same extension C++, and now we have to check whether we have GCC installed or not in our system. This is for Linux. For Windows, you can check out another video or something like that. So let's go to terminal. You can do Control Alt T to open a new terminal and paste that code. Yeah, I have GCC. Yeah, I have, and GCC version 7.5.0, Ubuntu 7.5.0. Yeah, I have. Now after that, let's go back here. Let's go back. So we want to say sudo apt-get update, or you can do now. You can to install GNU. Uh, you have to do this, copy and paste in your terminal. I have already installed. And after that, we have to make a folder. Um, so let's go here and file. I have inside this HTML folder. Let's make it not HTML. I want to rename it to C++. Or rename to C plus CPP. All right. So let's open again. I want to say open new folder, Control K, Control O, and C++ folder. Okay. Okay. After that, let's delete this folder. I have already made that. I would say move to trash. Okay. Now we can have a C++ folder file here. Okay. Let's make a hello world program. Let's say hello dot cpp. Cpp is the extension for C++. Now hit enter. Now we can make a hello world program here. We'll say has include. I have also, intelligence is working, so it is giving, let's say IO stream, and we'll say using namespace std, and we'll say int main. We'll say cout. We'll say hello world, and we'll say L semicolon and return 0. We'll save this and we will run this. Okay, we have to run. Let's click here and run code, and in output you can see hello world. Okay, so we in this video we set up we install Visual Studio Code and install GCC for Linux, and where we in Visual Studio Code where we downloaded extension like C++ and C++, intellisense debugging, and code browsing extension, and also run extension. And we made a folder and have a file for printing hello world, which is this, and we got output hello world. So in next video we'll be discovering more about C++ and other programs. Uh, so uh, so I think we'll make a series of programs like problems in C++ and many more. So till then, I have to say goodbye. Please like, subscribe, and comment my channel. And if you like, you can subscribe. To get daily notification about my video channel. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Um, Keep coding. What I clicked.